Hi friends, today I'm going to talk about three basic qualities which are required for you to take the first step towards the path in transformation. And those three qualities are authenticity, integrity, and intensity. Authenticity. What does it mean? Authenticity, to be explained in simple terms, it means you mean what you say and you say what you mean. If you say something, people don't have to keep wondering what is it that you're trying to say, what is it that you're trying to imply. The meaning of the words are just the plain, simple meaning of the words. And if you give some data to someone, nobody has to check the data because it is the data given by an authentic person. And that kind of an impression, if you can keep on people's mind, if you can create on people's mind, and it is not created simply by saying, it is created through a track record of past behavior, that you have always been meaning what you say and you always have been saying what you mean. And that is the first quality, authenticity. The second quality is integrity. Now, integrity has a lot of connotations, and in this context, it means you honor your word and you keep your promises. And that is the utmost quality which is required for you to walk in the path of transformation. And even if, because of some authentic reasons, if you are able to fulfill your promise, you would not keep the person waiting until the last moment. You would give a lot of time very well in advance. You would go back to the person and tell the person, it is because of this and this authentic reasons I'm not able to complete what I promised. And the person would believe you because you're an authentic person and the reasons given by you will be authentic. You see how they are interconnected? And that is the second quality, integrity. People, if they give some work to you, they can forget about it. They don't have to be following up with you, because through your past record, through your past behaviors, you've always proven that if you say that you would complete it on such and such date, it would have been completed. That is integrity to me, my dear friends. And the third quality is intensity. Now, intensity is ownership, being passionate about whatever you're doing, giving your 100% under all circumstances, working like an owner. This term may be a little confusing. In fact, I was taking a workshop for one of the electronic components company, and when I was talking about working like an owner is very, very important quality, one person who's a sweeper in the shop floor, he asked me a question, ma'am, I'm just a sweeper, housekeeper in the shop floor, and how can I work like an owner, he asked. I told him, see, let us say that you're sweeping the shop floor and you find an electronic component which is worth 5 rupees lying on the floor. And if this company belongs to you, let us say, would you continue to sweep and throw away that electronic component? For which he said, ma'am, it's my company, no? And that component is worth 5 rupees, isn't it? Therefore, I would pick the component, keep it on the table, and then continue with my sweeping, he said. And that is working like an owner. Doesn't matter what work you do in an organization. You can be a bookkeeper, you can be in the HR department, you can be in purchase, you can be in production, you can be in quality control, and if that organization belongs to you, nobody needs to check on the quality of work, the passion with which an owner works for himself, isn't it? And that is ownership, and that is intensity. And when a person who's known to be as an intensive person, who's having ownership qualities, if because of some unforeseen circumstances is not able to complete something, and if this person goes and gives a reason to the higher up, the person believes you because you work like an owner and you are an authentic person. If you give a reason, it will be the true reason, and if you cannot do it, nobody could have done it. And that is the impression you would be creating on other people's mind. So authenticity, which means you mean what you say what you mean. Integrity, which means you honor your word, you keep your promises. And intensity, which means ownership. You're very passionate, you work like an owner. These are the three qualities we need to first inculcate in your personality. And when transformation happens within, then you started walking in the path of achievements, and nobody can stop you from achieving whatever you want to achieve in your life.